You will need to use a straight edge with a right angle. So you're going to line it up with the edge of your animation and then draw a small right angle. This angle is going to be used to line up the camera to make sure that we line up the camera the same way for each frame. So trace that angle onto each frame and then use the camera app on the iPad to take photos of each frame, starting with the first one. So it's the last page in your flipbook. And then you want to line up the corner, the right angle that you just drew, with the corner of the camera app screen. And there I've taken my first photo. Take photos of each frame all in a row and double check that they are in your camera roll in the iPad. Next, you'll select Safari and type in or Google onlineImageEditor.com. Click on GIF Maker and press Choose File, and then upload the first picture that you took from your camera roll. Keep uploading all of your pictures. You might see other people's pictures in your camera roll, but make sure you just upload your own. Don't delete any pictures in the camera roll. Make sure you upload all of your frames. So if you have 5 frames, you should have 5 pictures uploaded. There are all 5 of my frames uploaded. And you can switch them around if you need to, in case you uploaded them in the wrong order. Press Create Animation. And then press Go to Image Editor if you want to make any changes. The image editor is a lot of fun. You can undo any changes if you want to erase anything, but you can add text, you can add different effects like different colors, you can invert your colors, you can also do all sorts of things like glitter text and other animations that you can add on top of your animation. But you can always undo what you just did by pressing the undo button. There are lots of different frames and borders. When you're ready, press save and press save to local computer. And it should bring up your finished animation. Hold one finger over the image, over your animated GIF, and select Save Image. This will save the image to your camera roll. So make sure that it's in your camera roll by going to Camera and clicking Camera Roll, and it should be in there. Now if you want to change your animation speed, you need to go to ezgif.com. So once you're in the GIF Maker, you can upload your pictures from the camera roll, and it'll actually let you upload all of them at the same time, so you don't have to do them individually. And then you just have to press upload. So there are all 5 of my pictures uploaded, and then you'll just need to press create or generate animation. And your animation should be pretty big because it was using that iPad camera, and it'll start moving pretty much right away. Now you can change the speed of your animation. It automatically sets it to 20, which is pretty quick. and you can always slow it down or speed it up this way. You can also change the size to 500 pixels by 350 pixels, which is a pretty good size for sending an email and that kind of thing. It makes it easier to see on the iPad especially. So you can type in what you want to change the size to. And then your resized animation should be at the bottom screen. And once you're happy with it, you can click Save. And there's a couple other different functions and effects in EasyGIF.com, but not as many as an online image editor. When you're ready to save, you just press one finger down and click Save Image.